sharing with you our wonderful experience at Avalon Zoo in Rodriguez, Rizal. On a Sunday, it is about 2 hours away from Manila. Kids will enjoy the feed the animal activities here. For 100 pesos, you get to feed Barry the giraffe. Ayan, enjoy ang kids! You have to go up para ka-level mo si Barry. See, ang tangkad niya. But don't worry, stroller and wheelchair friendly ang Avalon Zoo. When we visited, medyo sleepy yung lions. But the tiger kept walking around. I think this is one of the macaques they have. We didn't go around the area too much na. What are they looking at? Ayun, the gorilla. Parang Jungle Book lang. It took us 2 hours more or less to go around the whole zoo. But there were plenty of rest stations. Ayan, pahinga muna kami. At nagpahinga din yung tiger. For 100 pesos again, you get to feed the bears. So 100 pesos will give you 6 pieces of cucumber. Sabi ni ate, ito daw yung pinakamaraming pieces so you have more chances of feeding. You can also feed bananas, carrots, o diba, vegetarian pala yung bear. Ayan, hindi lang 3 bibe ang nandito. This is one of my favorite animals in the zoo. Sayang wala pala akong video nung cassowary, which is also my favorite. Hello! This is one of the least favorite of the kids because of the smell. I forgot what these are called, but their horns are so majestic. Their horns they use for heat regulation. Hello there, Bambi! This is the African crowned crane. Ang ganda. Ayan, exercise muna si turtle. There were many different kinds of turtles. This one parang nalulungkot kaya kinakausap ng asawa ko. After makipag-usap sa turtle, ayan, this sea eagle naman. In this section, you can feed a lot of animals like goats, sheep, bear cats, pigs, etc. So the fee is 50 pesos per animal. Sa rabbits, you get a piece of corn. And yan, medyo busog na sila so hindi sila excited. Time for Bengala feeding. Ayan, tapon-tapon lang ng cabbage. The kids had fun. And you also get to have photo opportunities with the animals. Per reptile and per bird, the fee is 50 pesos. So smile-smile lang, pero sa totoo lang, kabadong-kabado ako dyan. No animals or human beings were harmed during the taking of this video. Okay, chill lang. We're about to go to the last part, which is the crocodiles. Actually, nasa may entrance siya, but we missed it because it was raining then. Yan, buti na lang mataas ba ang energy ng kids. Of course, we are in the Philippines, so marami talagang buwaya. I didn't take a video of all, pero yan, may malalaki, may maliliit, may mga nakatago, and may mga out in the open. Ayan, we are looking for Silly Susie Goose. Arapaima feeding is only till 4 o'clock. This is one experience you shouldn't miss. Sayang hindi kami umabot, but we can come back again next time. Super happy. Meron silang pig-nosed turtle, which is my ultimate favorite. Pagod-pagod but overall happy. Hope you can visit Avalon Zoo soon.